Hello students, I hope you are well and also doing great. My dear students, we have started derivative in which we are doing derivative of implicit function. Now today we will discuss some problem related to implicit functions. Now one question is, if x is equal to x sine a plus y plus sine a cos a plus y, then prove that dy by dx is sine square a plus y upon sine a. So, dear students, you have solved problem taking y as dependent, means differentiate with respect to x. In the same way, we can do differentiate with respect to y also. In this question, such type question you can solve with respect to y also. Now, we will find value of x from here. So, x is x sine a plus y plus sine a here minus sine a cos a plus y. Okay, and value of x is minus sine a cos a plus y upon sine a plus y. Clear? Now we will differentiate it with respect to y. With respect to y, differentiate both sides with respect to y. So derivative of x is dx upon dy, dx upon dy, and you can say sine a is constant and cos upon sine a is cot. So first we will define it, means we can write minus sine a cos upon sine cot a plus y. So now you can differentiate dx upon dy, minus sine a is constant, and you know derivative of cot theta, that is minus cosecant square theta. Okay, and derivative of theta a 0, y as 1, because we are doing with respect to y. Now minus minus plus, it is sine a, cosecant square can be written as sine square a plus y, but we need to find dy by dx. So taking reciprocal, so dy by dx is sine square a plus y upon sine a. Okay, now we have proved dy by dx is sine square a plus y upon sine a. Dear students, such type question आपको जब भी प्रूफ करना आ जाए तो इट मीन्स कंपल्सरी नहीं है ईच टाइम हम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स ले. हो सकता है सम प्रॉब्लम कैन बी प्रूव्ड बाय यूजिंग with respect to y also. Okay, now let us see next problem. Now e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power y is equal to e raised to power x plus y, and we want to prove dy by dx is minus e raised to power y minus x. So differentiate it with respect to x. You can say differentiate both sides with respect to x. So e raised to power x, e raised to power x. Now e raised to power y, e raised to power y, and derivative of y dy upon dx. Same here, e raised to power x plus y, e raised to power x plus y. But power derivative of power also. So derivative of x plus y is derivative of x as 1, derivative of y as dy upon dx. Okay, now you will solve. इट्स मल्टीप्लाई 1 के साथ करेंगे e रेज टू पावर x प्लस वाई प्लस e रेज टू पावर x प्लस वाई dy अपॉन dx. सो dy by dx टर्म कंबाइन करेंगे तो हेयर e रेज टू पावर y dy अपॉन dx माइनस e रेज टू पावर x प्लस वाई dy अपॉन dx e raised to power x plus y minus e raised to power x. Okay, now dy by dx is common, so we have e raised to power y minus e raised to power x plus y, and here e raised to power x plus y minus e raised to power x. Now dy by dx is e raised to power x plus y minus e raised to power x upon e raised to power y minus e raised to power x plus y. Now what is the value of e raised to power x plus y? E raised to power x plus e raised to power y. Okay, same in denominator, minus e raised to power x minus e raised to power y. मैंने क्या किया, e raised to power x plus y का वैल्यू ये पुट कर दिया, सो ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल, तो हेयर है e raised to power y upon minus e raised to power x. Now in divide, so in numerator power will be negative, so resultant is minus e raised to power y minus x. Because base are same, then power will be add. So our dy by dx is minus e raised to power y minus x. Clear? So we have proved dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to power y minus x. My dear students, you know you are doing very well by using YouTube classes or online classes. So keep in mind, a stone is broken by the last stroke, but it does not mean that first stroke was useless. Okay, so you are doing well and we continue. Let us see next problem. Now x into under the root 1 plus y into under the root 1 plus x is 0, and x is not equal to y, then prove that minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. So dear student, अगर इस क्वेश्चन को आप डायरेक्ट करेंगे, when will you do it directly, then it is so lengthy. Okay, directly means first as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first, means product rule, and then find its derivative. First we will simplify it, means make some simple equations form. Okay, so x, because you know here two term and both have under root, so first we will remove its square root. आपको पहले इसका स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव करना है, तो x 1 प्लस वाई इक्वल टू माइनस वाई अंडर द रूट 1 प्लस एक्स. ओके, पॉजिटिव कन्वर्ट इनटू नेगेटिव. नाउ यू नो स्क्वायर रूट कैसे रिमूव करते हैं, ऑन स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड्स, ऑन स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड्स. on squaring both sides, on squaring both sides, x under the root 1 plus y whole square minus y under the root 1 plus x whole square. Now you know x square into square root cancel, y square 1 plus x. Okay. Now solve multiplication. X square plus x square y square plus xy square. Now y square negative, we will combine it. देखो x square y square transpose minus y square, same here, x square y positive and xy square here negative. Dear student, very important question for CBSE board exam. Now what is factorization of x square minus y square? A minus ba plus b. We will apply property of a square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. So factorization of x square minus y square is x minus y into x plus y. Now what is common here? Plus xy. It means it is also x minus y equal to 0. Now from whole x minus y is common. X minus y is common, so interior part is x plus y plus xy equal to 0. Now dear student, you know it is the product of two parts and equal to 0. It means either one of them is 0. Means either x minus y is 0 or x plus y plus xy 0. But you know if x minus y is 0, then x is equal to y, but x is not equal to y. Okay, so we will not take this part, only this part. Now from here value of y, you know x plus y is common, 1 plus x, then find y. So y is positive x, negative x, and 1 plus x in multiply, to here in divide. Okay, now you can find derivative dy by dx is denominator whole square. Okay, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus 1 minus x as it is, derivative of denominator 1 as 0 and x as 1. So minus 1 plus x minus x cancel. So our result is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now we have proved dy by dx is minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. So dear student, some question can be solved by using some trick or such type activity. Okay, now let us see next problem. Now we have one more example which we cannot solve directly as differentiate with respect to x. Okay, here you can see under root also, but in the right side without under root, so we cannot take scaling both side. Okay, you know if we will write them separate, means under root 1 minus y square under root 1 minus x square, तो आप देखेंगे ये किसका डेरिवेटिव है, साइन इनवर्स x और साइन इनवर्स y से मैच करता है. ओके, सो वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर, मींस पुट x as sin a and y as sin b. X as sin a and y as sin b. So 1 minus sine square A plus 1 minus sine square B, A into sine A minus sine B. Clear? Now you know 1 minus sine square A is cos square A and it is cos square B. Here sine A minus sine B. Now square root cancel. We have cos A plus cos B, sine A minus sine B. Now you have done CD formula, sine C plus sine D, either sine C minus sine D, cos C plus cos D, or cos C minus cos D. Now here cos C plus cos D, so that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2. Same here, sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2, but sin C minus D by 2. So dear student, you know 2 cancel, or in left all are in multiply, right also. So when transpose it will cancel. Cos A plus B by 2, here cos A plus B by 2. Now we have cos A minus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2. Now sin transpose here in divide. You know cos A minus B by 2, sin A minus B by 2 is equal to A. Now you know cos upon sin, that is cot. That is cot and equal to A. Okay. Now cot convert into cot inverse. So cot A minus B by 2 is equal to A. Then A minus B by 2 is cot inverse A. 2 also in multiply. Okay. Now what is A? From here, if x is sin A, then value of A is sin convert into sin inverse x and B as sin inverse y. So A is sin inverse x, B as sin inverse y, 2 cot inverse A. Now you can differentiate derivative of sin inverse x, 1 upon 1 minus x square, 1 upon 1 minus y square, and derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of constant is 0 because it is purely constant. It is 2 cot inverse. Now dear student, this term goes in the right with negative sign. Okay. Now negative cancel and the value of dy by dx is, ये डिवाइड में इधर किस में हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई. ओके. So we get under the root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. Clear? So we have proved under the root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. Now let us see next problem. Now x square plus y square is equal to t minus 1 by t, and x4 plus y4 is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. When we want to prove dy by dx is 1 upon x cube y. So dear student, we have given two parts. Okay, on the behalf of two parts we need to find derivative. You know, here is x4 plus y4, here x square plus y square. So we will taking squaring both sides. Okay. Either you can say we will take square both sides. So on squaring both sides is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now t cancel. And you know x4 plus y4 is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. Means this part cancel to this. So we have only 2x square y square minus 2. Now value of y square is minus 2 upon 2x square. Means minus 1 upon x square. So we can write minus x raised to power minus 2. Clear? Now differentiate derivative of y square 2y. Now derivative of y is dy upon dx. Same here, minus 2 and minus 2 minus 1. So dy upon dx is 2x raised to power minus 3. Now 2 cancel. So value of dy by dx is x minus 3 upon y. It can be also positive. So we can write x cube y. Clear? So dear student, in this question we will square both side on first part and using second part cancel like terms or equivalent, then find its derivative. Now let us see next problem. Now tangent inverse x square minus y square upon x square plus y square is equal to a. Then prove that dy by dx is this. In this question, if you will take direct derivative of tangent inverse, taking derivative both side, and you know derivative of a is 0, तो आपके derivative में a कहीं आएगा ही नहीं, but we need to prove tangent a. So in this question, first we will take tan inverse x square minus y square upon x square plus y square is equal to a. Now transpose of tangent inverse. So that is x square minus y square, x square plus y square is equal to tangent a. Okay. And in divide something is not, so we will write here 1. Clear? Now one rule of you know in a ratio, componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo means if a upon b is given, then after applying componendo and dividendo means a plus b upon a minus b. A plus b upon a minus b. So here we will apply also. Either we want to prove 1 minus tangent and 1 plus tangent. So we will take its reciprocal also. Means x square plus y square upon x square upon y square. Okay. Taking invertendo. Taking reciprocal means you can say invertendo. Now apply componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo means x square plus y square. A upon b means a plus b. So x square minus y square upon a minus b. X square plus y square minus x square minus plus y square. Same here. 1 plus tangent a, 1 minus tangent a. Now you know y square cancel, x square cancel. So we have 2x square upon 2y square. That is 1 plus tangent A, 1 minus tangent A. Again taking invertendo. Again taking invertendo. Means y square upon x square is 1 minus tangent A, 1 plus tangent A. Clear? Again taking invertendo. Now x square in divide, so its transpose is in multiply. Okay, so y square is x square into 1 minus tangent A upon 1 plus tangent A. Now you can differentiate derivative of y square 2y, but derivative of y is dy upon dx. Here it is purely constant, so it is as it is, and derivative of x square is 2x. So it is 1 minus tangent A upon 1 plus tangent A. Now 2 cancel. Y in multiply, so here in divide. So dy by dx is x 1 minus tangent A y 1 plus tangent A. Okay, so by using this process we can prove dy by dx is x into 1 minus tangent x upon y into 1 plus tangent 1 minus tangent A upon 1 plus tangent A. From here you can solve this question by using cross multiply also. Now we will see cross multiply type. On cross multiplication, you know x square tangent A plus y square tangent A is equal to x square minus y square. Now y square here in positive, tangent A plus y square, x square minus x square tangent A. Here y square is common, tangent A plus 1, and here x square is common, 1 minus tangent A. Now you can differentiate y square 2y and derivative of y dy by dx. Okay, y square 2y, derivative y dy by dx, and here we can write 1 plus tangent A. Same here, x square 2x 1 minus tangent A, but we need only dy by dx, so 2x into 1 minus tangent A 2y 1 plus tangent A. Clear? Now we can prove. So you can prove by using this method also. So it is easy, okay? But you can apply component or dividend also to make any problem so easy. Clear? Now next problem is, now y is equal to sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus sin x upon cos x 1 plus s on, and we want to prove this. Now you can observe y कहाँ से start होता है? y होता है sin x upon, कहाँ से start होता है? sin x upon. तो you can see here, from here repetition is allowed. यहाँ से आपका repetition start हो गया. So we can suppose it is also y. Okay. So our y is sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus y. देखिए y कहाँ से शुरू होता है आपका? sin x अपॉन, तो sin x अपॉन इस ब्लॉक को हमने क्या लिया? y. सो रिजल्ट इज sin x अपॉन 1 प्लस cos x अपॉन 1 प्लस y. नाउ यू विल टेक LCM. sin x अपॉन 1 प्लस y, here 1 प्लस y प्लस cos x, ये डिवाइड में है, कहाँ चला जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई में. So our y is 1 plus y sin x upon 1 plus y plus cos x. Clear? Now you can do cross multiplication also. So it is y plus y square plus y cos x equal to 1 plus 1 into sin x plus y sin x. Okay, we have done here cross multiplication. Now you can differentiate. Derivative of y is dy by dx, y square 2y, and derivative of y as dy by dx, y as it is, derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos x as it is, derivative of y dy by dx, derivative of sin x cos x plus y as it is, derivative of sin x cos x plus sin x as it is, dy by dx. Okay, now you will take dy by dx as common. So we get here 1 plus 2y plus cos x, and this part also negative, means minus sin x, and this side cos x plus y cos x and minus y sin x also plus y sin x. Now for dy by dx, this part in division. Okay, transpose of multiply is divide. So our result is, you can say here what is common, cos. So we can write 1 plus y sin x upon this part 1 plus 2y plus cos x minus sin x. So my dear student, today we have solved mostly problem of the implicit function. If any other problem, then you can send me on WhatsApp and do your work. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.